Hey, welcome back to your favorite laptop repair shop. We have here, it's an HP laptop. We're gonna open it up and see what's up with it. This one is an HP, got beaten up like there's no tomorrow. It's HP Envy series. Open it up here, and that's what we get. We see here the motherboard. The RAM was here. I took it out. You got the fan, and the hard drive. I took it out. That's the hard drive connector, and what do we have here? We have the wireless card right here. We have no CD-ROM on this model. And we have the screen. As you can see, this is beaten up. Very good. He used to belong to a professional MMA fighter, and I guess he took it to the cage. Didn't want to listen. I'm not gonna try to fix this. I'm gonna throw this to a recycling, and hopefully it would come back as a new piece of plastic one day. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back again for my next repair or whatever. I'm gonna open up and see what's going on over here. Took me about 5 minutes to open this, not even. Cool.